Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker QCY SP7 with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the top you need to click pair new device button, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth, but I need to click on it. After that, at the top of the speaker we have power button. You need to press and hold this power button. Here we go. And if your speaker do not connect it with another devices, it will enter to pairing mode automatically, and you know it by the blue LED light what blinking, or you can also see it at the device list. If you want to enter pairing mode manually, let's say your speaker already connected with another device, you need to press one time at the Bluetooth button. So you just press one time, you will hear this prompt, and then you will enter to pairing mode manually, so you will also see them at the device list. After that, tap at your speaker, and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!